guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to share this makeup look that I did on Thanksgiving. I got a lot of compliments on my makeup, and my brother-in-law's sister actually told me to do more makeup videos. So I was like, why not recreate the look and share with you guys. It's a beautiful sparkly purple look, and it's pretty easy to accomplish. All the products I have are also drugstore, so they're affordable. So let's get on with the makeup look. Okay, so first thing I like to do is take these little post-its and put them in the corner of my eyes so we can get a nice cut when we do the eyeshadow, and it's just like a seamless finish when you take it off. So now I'm going to be using this palette that I got off of Amazon, which I saw on TikTok, and it's a really nice palette actually. It's pretty pigmented and has all the colors you would want, so it's great. Now let's get up close and personal, and let's start the eyeshadow. So I'm going to take a mix of this purple and pink, hot pink shade, and I'm going to buff that into my outer crease. So I'm going to do both sides here. Next up, I'm going to take this darker color of purple and concentrate that under my outer corner and just blending in those colors together so it looks a little more seamless. Next up, I'm going to take the concealer I use and put it in the back of my hand so I can cut the crease. This is the most fun part of the look in my opinion. So I'm just going to cut the crease by concentrating on where my natural fold occurs within my eye and just using my concealer to cover that. It's going to look a little bit messy in the beginning, but when you put the eyeshadow, it's going to work out really well. So I took this flat brush, and sorry this was out of focus, but I took a shimmery shade from my palette. You can see a little bit better here, but I concentrated that on my eyelid so it gives a really pretty iridescent effect. I then went back in the palette for those pink and purple shades that I mixed together, and I buffed that into my crease one more time so everything just looks more put together and seamless overall. It's nice to concentrate towards the end because when you take the post-it off, it'll give it a seamless, sharp line. Okay, so I'm gonna switch off and do the rest of my face. So I'm going to put this e.l.f. putty primer all over my face, and then I put on my foundation. But before that, I forgot to put on my color corrector from e.l.f. So I'm putting that into the parts of my face that are more pigmented and blending that out. Then I'm going back to my foundation and dotting it all over my face. I'm currently using this Milani one, and I absolutely love it. Then I'm going into my concealer with this ColourPop one, and I'm concentrating it on the edges so it gives that clean, sharp look once again. And then we're just going to go ahead and blend that out. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows with this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. I also like to use this trick where I use hairspray on the spoolie so it can set my brows in place so they don't move everywhere. Then I'm going to go in with my bronzer. It's a stick bronzer. I apply that first on all of the points of blending that out now. Then I'm going to go in with a powder bronzer because it just sets things in place better. I'm then going to go in with the same bronzer and contour my nose very lightly. I usually like a more natural contour, so I just put it on the most narrow parts of my nose and shaped it. Then we're going to go into this Laura Geller blush. I seriously love putting on blush. It just looks so youthful and pretty, and a heavy hand of blush looks better in pictures as well. So now I'm just going to set my face with this NYX setting spray and put on my highlighter. So I'm putting on top of my nose, the bridge of my nose, the sides of my cheek where the light reflects, and I'm just going to be blending this in too so it doesn't look harsh and looks more seamless. I also put on my chin and my cupid's bow because when you put lipstick on top, it looks really cool. Okay, so I'm going to finish off the eyes finally. So I'm using this Essence liquid liner, and I'm just going to follow the edge of the eyeshadow and finish lining my eyes. So the next part is my favorite part, and this is what really elevates your eyeshadow looks. Your eyeshadow just stands out way more in pictures and videos. So I'm going to be applying this on the areas of my eyes where I also put the concealer to cut my crease. Next up, I'm going to be curling my lashes with this Wycon eyelash curler, and then applying my all-time favorite mascara that I've raved about previously many times. It's the Essence Princess Lash Mascara. So this part of my makeup is by far my favorite part. It is the pop of color in the inner corner. So I'm using yellow because that's what my salad gummies is also, but feel free to use any color. I usually build this up to make sure I like the opacity of the color. So now moving on to the lips, I'm using 3 things. So I just line my lips. I don't like to overline a lot, but I like to put it just below my lips. And my lip liner is from ColourPop. Next, I put on my favorite nude liquid lipstick from Ofra, and then I put another liquid lipstick from Maybelline on top that's just a little bit lighter, and blending these 2 colors together made the perfect shade from my eyeshadow look. Next up is the lashes. So I'm using this duo glue and just putting it on my lashes. These lashes also were just $1, guys, so I'll pop them up on the screen. They are seriously great, especially if you're not someone who likes heavy and thick lashes. Okay, so here is the finished makeup look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But for the next clip, I'm just going to be putting on my clothes and putting on my bindi, which is one of my favorite parts. It seriously is harder than it looks, so definitely takes some adjustment and practice. But now I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair. My hair is usually a little bit wavy, but it's been a lot more manageable since I've cut my hair. Moving on now to my jewelry. I love picking out my jewelry. I got this from Amazon, which I'll also link below. I picked out these really cute pearl earrings, and I wanted to wear something on my wrist, so I picked out this pretty rose gold one. Okay, now finally on to my outfit. It is this really beautiful yellow, pink, and kind of rainbow colored salwar kameez that I got online. My mom actually ordered this from Pakistan, so I'll ask her where she got this. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below. But I just love the details on this dress. The next clip shows a better view of the onna, which is what Bengalis also refer to as the dupatta, and it has these cute tassels, which I loved completely. My pants also had some really nice detailing, some see-through detailing, and overall just really enjoyed this dress. It was comfortable and beautiful at the same time. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick Desi soft glam get ready with me. Please let me know if you guys also like these makeup videos, because I can surely make more. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification because that's very, very helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Your support again means the world to me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!